Hey friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. A few years ago, building a professional presentation meant losing half your day inside PowerPoint. You'd open a blank deck, search for old slides, fix formatting, rewrite headlines, resize images, double-check branding, and somehow still end up with something that looked unfinished. Then AI presentation tools showed up. But most of them still feel like first drafts. They generate slides, not real business-ready presentations. But I think that's starting to change. Because the enterprise AI platform, used by more than 4 million professionals, just opened a free version to the public. And after testing it myself, this feels less like a presentation generator and more like a PowerPoint agent. Today, we're looking at Templify. And I genuinely think this is one of the most interesting AI productivity tools I've tested this year. The biggest problem with presentations has never been creativity. It's manual work. Most professionals already know what they want to say. The real time gets wasted on formatting, structuring slides, rewriting content, finding visuals, matching brand styles, fixing layouts, exporting versions, and most AI slide tools don't really solve that. They give you generic slides that still need heavy editing afterward. What makes Templify interesting is that it was originally designed for enterprise workflows. Meaning, this wasn't built as a consumer AI toy first, it was designed for actual organizations where presentations need to be structured, compliant, consistent, on brand, and editable inside real PowerPoint workflows. And now, they've released a free experience that lets anyone test that system. I am using Templify free experience. The workflow is surprisingly simple. You type a prompt describing the presentation you want, choose a theme, and the AI builds an actual PowerPoint deck for you. Not screenshots. Not locked slides, a real editable PPTX presentation. And one thing I like immediately is that they're positioning this less like AI art for slides and more like a productivity workflow system. That difference matters. Real demo, so let's try something realistic. First, switch between multiple presentation themes, and then write a prompt. I'll type create a presentation explaining how AI agents are changing modern business workflows. Now watch what happens. The system starts generating slide structure, section flow, headlines, supporting points, layouts, visuals, presentation hierarchy, and this is where it starts feeling different from most AI slide tools. The output already feels organized like a real business presentation. Instead of random disconnected slides, there's actual narrative structure. And honestly, this is a small feature that makes a surprisingly big difference visually. Most AI presentation tools give you one fixed aesthetic. Here, you can immediately adapt the deck style depending on client presentation, startup, pitches, internal meetings, education, or corporate reports. And once the deck is done, you can directly download it. That means you fully own the deck. Open it in PowerPoint, edit anything, move slides around, send it to a client, present it normally. That's a huge deal. Why this matters? Templify wasn't originally built for casual presentation generation. Their actual enterprise platform integrates directly into tools companies already use: Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, Salesforce. Inside enterprise workflows, the AI can pull from approved slides, company branding, internal assets, disclaimers, pricing language, approved messaging. So, instead of employees rebuilding the same presentations over and over again, the system helps automate repetitive document work. And honestly, that's probably the most important shift happening in AI productivity right now. Systems that reduce repetitive operational work so humans can focus on strategy, communication, decision-making, and actual creative thinking. That's why this feels more like a PowerPoint agent than a normal slide generator. And the fact that more than 4 million professionals already use Templify in enterprise environments gives this way more credibility than most AI presentation startups popping up every month. Real use cases I can genuinely see this being useful for: startup founders, consultants, marketers, students, sales teams, agencies, educators, and honestly, anyone constantly building presentations for work. You just start with an idea, and the AI handles the heavy lifting. So if you want to try it yourself, Templify made the free experience publicly available. No credit card, unlimited creations, direct PowerPoint export, and multiple presentation themes built in. You can test it here, Templify free experience, and honestly, if your work involves presentations in any serious way, this is probably one of the most practical AI tools you can experiment with right now. I'll leave the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.